Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have a mild day in store for us. Those clouds will be increasing as we go through the day today. We'll even see some rainfall across the region later on tonight, but looking at some pretty warm conditions across the region already this morning, up to 58 degrees here at Wallops as of 9 a.m. under mostly cloudy skies. You can see from the other reporting stations generally running in the 50s and to around 60 degrees as of 9 a.m. A little cooler off to our north, only around 50 degrees up in Dover, 51 degrees in Ocean City, mostly cloudy skies throughout the region. Yesterday we saw a warm day across most of the area, 59 degrees here at Wallops, 59 degrees at Ocean City, so a little cooler right along that coastline as you work your way west, getting up into the upper 60s in the Tidewater region, 71 degrees in Richmond, 66 at Washington, D.C., and 65 degrees your daytime high in Baltimore. Overnight last night, temperatures mostly in the 40s and 50s throughout the area. 44 degrees at both Baltimore and Dover. 48 degrees at our nation's capital. 50 degrees your overnight low temperature here at Wallops. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, that freezing level was at 8,200 feet, and our winds generally running at a westerly direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet. We see those winds increasing through the column up to 57 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary off to our north currently in the area of high pressure along the southeast United States. This frontal boundary will start to move its way a little farther to the south across our region as we go into the afternoon and evening hours tonight, ushering in a cooler air mass. We'll also see this area of low pressure riding along the front, which will provide us with some rain showers as we go into the evening and overnight hours tonight. Looking at our infrared satellite here, you can see pretty abundant mid and high level cloudiness in store for us as we go throughout the day today. You'll see those clouds continuing to stream in from the west, and as you can see from our satellite, really not much in the way of breaks in those clouds for us as we go throughout the day today. So just a little bit of sunshine here and there is all we can expect, mainly during the morning hours, as those clouds will thicken up even more as we go into the afternoon. Looking at our forecast maps and what we can expect over the next couple of days, you'll see that frontal boundary sagging south over our region this afternoon. Winds will increase out of an easterly direction as it does so. And we'll also see that moisture start to increase at the lower levels, start to see those clouds increasing, and then after about 5 o'clock you'll see the chance of some rain, chances becoming likely during the evening and overnight hours tonight. Some of those showers could be moderate to potentially heavy at times throughout the evening and overnight tonight. Then showers will move off the coast likely by early tomorrow morning, setting us up for a mostly sunny day on Tuesday. It will be windy overnight tonight as that front moves through. You'll see those winds gusting up to around 25 to 30 knots and continuing to be pretty breezy throughout the day on Tuesday, especially during the morning hours. But as high pressure begins to build in from the north, we'll see those winds begin to die down as we go into the afternoon hours of Tuesday, especially into Tuesday night, where we'll see much less in the way of windy conditions expected. High pressure should be in control of our weather as we go into the Tuesday evening and Wednesday time frame, and setting us up for mostly sunny conditions for the midweek period. Now looking at the next 24 hours in a little bit more detail, you can see temperatures will max out right around 65 degrees at around 12 o'clock today. And then as those winds pick up out of the northeast and easterly direction, we'll see the temperatures dropping throughout the afternoon down to about 62 degrees by 4 o'clock, and then falling pretty quickly during the late afternoon hours down to about 50 degrees by 8 p.m. with those rain showers becoming likely this evening into the overnight hours, and temperatures falling pretty quickly as well, down to about 38 degrees by early Tuesday morning. Our winds will be increasing throughout the afternoon as well, expecting east-northeasterly winds to continue into the evening hours tonight, where those winds will be on the increase, gusting up to around 20 knots by 8 p.m. this evening, and then between 25 and 30 knots during the late evening and overnight hours tonight, where we'll continue to see those northeasterly winds bringing in some cooler conditions as well, with those temperatures dropping very quickly overnight and then setting the stage for a cooler day on Tuesday, where we're expecting mostly sunny, breezy and cool conditions with a high of 47. We'll see a pretty good chance of violating our wind constraints for a wind advisory, expecting winds over 25 knots during the early morning hours. Then as we go into the afternoon, should see those winds begin to die off below 25 knots during the afternoon, especially as we work our way into the later portion of the day on Tuesday. Tuesday night, expecting mostly clear and cool conditions with a low of 30 degrees. And then for Wednesday, we'll see sunny and slightly breezy conditions with a high of 49 degrees. For the next 7 days, expecting rainfall likely late this afternoon into the evening hours tonight. Overnight tonight, expecting rainfall to continue until about 4 o'clock in the morning. And we'll see cooler conditions work their way into the forecast. High pressure will allow for abundant sunshine, though, during the middle portion of the week. Temperatures only maxing out in the upper 40s for Tuesday and Wednesday. And then we'll see a steady increase in our temperatures as we get to the later portion of the week and into the weekend. High pressure setting up over the southeastern United States, bringing in some warmer temperatures this weekend. 65 degrees your expected high on Friday, 66 on Saturday. And then as we get into Sunday, looking at temperatures maxing out around 66 degrees with winds becoming a little breezy ahead of a frontal boundary that will potentially bring us a few scattered rain showers by late today on Sunday, especially late Sunday night into early Monday, where those showers will be more likely, and temperatures will likely be on the decrease as that front moves through the area Sunday night. That'll wrap it up for your weather briefing today. We'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for a look at your forecast on Tuesday. Have a nice day.